Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will learn about how to create a catalog item in ServiceNow. So let's click on all and type as maintain items. So select the maintain items available under catalog definition. Click on new. Let's name this catalog item as test catalog. Here you have to select the catalogs like on which catalog item this test catalog should appear. Okay. So let's click on that and type as service. Okay. And log this. Okay. And this category is nothing but on which category this particular test catalog should appear. Okay, click on this magnifying glass and we have few types here, right? Office template, services, software. You can select based on your requirement. Okay, so currently I will select as services. And here we have state checked out owner. Okay, you can select the owner of this catalog item as well. And the application is global. Here we have active checkbox as well. If you want to make this catalog item as inactive, then you have to uncheck this active checkbox. Otherwise, it will be active. And here we have fulfillment automation level. If you want to select manual, semi-automated, fully automated, you can select based on your requirement. And we have few more tabs here: item details, process engine, picture, pricing, and portal settings. We will be learning in our upcoming sessions related to service catalog. Okay. Now we have provided the name of this catalog item, and also we have given the catalogs and category, like on which catalogs and category this particular test catalog should appear. Okay. On service catalog and category is services. Okay. Now let's save this catalog item. See, once we save this test catalog item, we have few options here like update, copy, try it. If you click on this try it, then you can see the overview of your catalog item. Okay. And also scroll down. If you see here, we have few tabs like variables, catalog, UI policies. We will discussing about all these options in my upcoming sessions. Okay. So now let's just click on this try it. See, we have nothing here because we haven't created any variables for this particular catalog items. Okay, that's why here it is empty. If we create any variables, then we can see a few variables in that particular catalog item. Okay, so currently we haven't created any variables, right? So that's why this catalog item was empty. When we click on this, try it. So this is how we can create the catalog items in ServiceNow using maintain items. Okay, so in my upcoming sessions, we will be learning about how to create a variable sets, and what is meant by this catalog UI policies, catalog client script, everything in my upcoming sessions related to service catalog series. Okay, till then stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.